Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashvircreations from ashvircreations and welcome back to another video tutorial of Photoshop. Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your photos like Toni Mahfud or Vijay Mahar, just like this, under the water, lying on the sea. Now all we're gonna do is open the Photoshop and open the image which you want to edit. Now click on this quick selection tool and click on this plus sign and select the subject. Just make it the copy just by right click on the mouse and layer via copy, or you can press Ctrl J in the Windows or Command J in Mac PC. Now here we have done the copy of this subject. Now we will go to the file and open the image or the background which we want to put behind the subject. Open this background, just press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy all the image below this image. Now press Ctrl V to paste it and press Ctrl T, or else you can go to the edit and select the free transform to transform the image. Make it smaller, press Shift and Alt key and press the left mouse button from the top left corner and just drag it to get the perfect transformation. Now we will adjust this background image, whichever the position is suitable. Just drag it. Now just hit the arrow key or press the enter. Now all we're gonna do is just create a clip layer mask over this subject and select the brush tool from here and select the black color to erase the subject which we don't want. The area which we don't want, you can erase it by using brush tool. Now we will decrease the opacity so that we can see which area we want and which we don't want. Now just slowly erase, increase the opacity to 100 and just slowly erase the area which we don't want. Now just increase the opacity to 100%. Now we'll open the other background image and select the area. Suppose for example we want this area, so select this area, press Ctrl C and just paste it below, above this layer, and paste Ctrl for paste, press Ctrl V. Now press Ctrl T to transform. Now just transform this selection and just roll it over here. Decrease the opacity and now here also you have to go to the layer mask to erase the background or the image which you don't want. Select the brush tool and a black color and just roll it all over here and just erase unwanted area which you don't want. Now just from this blending mode, select luminosity to get the real look. Here you can see the before and after. See, the water itself here looks like an original one. Now you have to, I want a little bit of here also, I don't want, so I will just erase this area also. think I want to erase some more area from here, so I will just select this brush tool and go to the mask and decrease the size of the brush and erase this area. And now just open this layer. Now duplicate this layer, and here you can see the effect. Now erase this area by using brush tool, only this area. We don't want to erase the area which is on the body, because that itself sees the reality or the naturality of the subject. Now we will create a new layer just above this subject layer by pressing here Ctrl New and just right click on this layer and go to create clipping mask and select this brush tool and press Alt key to select or pick the color and just paint the border of the subject to get more realistic and natural cut. Paint it just like this. Now we will select here and just go to this adjustment layer and go to color lookup and select gold 3, loot file or gold 4. Now you can see, let's just open the reference image of Toni Mahfud. Go to the window and arrange the two images over here. Now just crop the unwanted area which we don't want in our frame. Hit the enter button. Now merge all these layers, right click and merge layers. Still the color tone is not exactly like Toni Mahfud, so we have to change it. Now go to this adjustment layer and go to selective color, then go to cyan and just drag this cyan color to around 23 or 25. Now to magenta we will just increase it to 22 or 25. Now we will go to the adjustment layer and select hue and saturation. Now select this button and pick the red color of the skin. Decrease the lightness and the saturation. Now you can see the exact look of Toni Mahfud. And just merge all the layers. Here you can see the exact copy of Toni Mahfud. Before and after. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share it with all your friends and family. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.